like akonqena undixelela inyani njengabanye abantu bendonqena undixelela inyani.
Yeah.
So, and also he's hands-on when it comes to career yethu. So that's really important to me.
Nah, that's dope, man. That's dope. You guys are so amazing. Tell the people to wait for a music video. Pumani music video fundini.
I-music ndiyadropa kule veki siya kuyo, man, you know.
Yabo anithetha into eyi-1 noma eyi-2 yabo.
I-music video is supposed to be
it's
supposed to be dropping tomorrow on the 30th, right?
Oh.
But I'm busy working on logistics right now. Yeah.
Oh.
So hence I announce about tomorrow. I don't want to say tomorrow and then izinto haven't askadibani, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So between, but definitely next week akazuphela singayidropanga because abantu bayayifuna and it should be out there.
Okay, I know. We are looking forward to it. Utuleza kasabuya izokhiwa ke apha eBarcelona.
Ndiza nempahla zama konqane.
I don't know if it's my first time hosting a award-winning artist.
No, I learned.
I think so. Is it the first time hosting an award-winning artist? Let me think.
You've.
Okay, I've hosted. At that time she hadn't won
an award. Ulando's
TMT.
Yeah.
But I think you probably the first person, man,
to be here. To me, man.
But like, how was that, bruh? Like, how was that? Like, even like, how was the process? What's the process of getting yourself to be nominated, and then the whole process?
Yeah, it's hard work and focus, man. Boba uzixelele entweni like you are doing this, but okay, like you ungabahoyi abanye abantu, just do this until you be recognized, uyabo. Until you get yourself there, uyabo. Because I'm not just got a call by okay, you guys have been nominated, uyabo. Okay. So that means okay, what you're actually doing is working, is being seen out there.
Yeah. So you didn't have to like submit something.
No. We just got seen in the scene that we were doing. Yeah.
What's the name of the awards again? Because
Legmas. Yeah, Legmas. Yeah. Look at God music. Baby celebrate 5 years now. But it's the first time to get an award. It's the first time to actually be nominated. So that means a lot to me, because I've always wanted to be part of Lawele. So and then boom, award. First time performance, first time award, being nominated, and then boom, award.
And like how was the day like getting in there? Because there should be nervousness, man, knowing that you are nominated. Nabanya band, and then you're not guaranteed that you're gonna win. But you're all dressed up. You're there looking nice.
But the truth is, Tina, we were called Basio performer.
Okay.
We didn't actually know, but we knew we nominated actually 5 times.
Okay.
So, but award. I really didn't expect to win. But we were just there you perform and show our skill, because there's a lot of people so when you are there performing, then it's a good space to show your work. So Nanda says he the stage.
Not even
but the award,
not even any award. Song of the year.
Yeah, of course. Song of the year. Ipaliwe written on the award. Song of the year. Yeah.
No, we're definitely gonna get to the song later, because I know you are not alone And it's a beautiful track. It's a beautiful track. And I've seen, are the visuals out yet?
I-visuals are actually coming out ngomso. Ngomso ziyadrop i-visuals.
Literally when this episode drops now.
And then the visuals ziyadrop.
Okay, that's good. That's
wow,
good.
The
hey,
universe.
Hey, it's your boy Coffee Man about chain Cape Town, Later Barcelona, Menglau in Pole, South Africa, man. It's yet another episode of the Black Couch podcast. We're slowly getting closer to episode number 100, which is going to be an amazing one. Unfortunately, I can't share the details of what's going to happen on episode number 100, but you guys going to have an amazing episode, which will be available on our YouTube channel. Shout out to everyone who has subscribed. Please, guys, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe right now. I know it's corner fans is got laser up in the building. Please subscribe, guys. And also make sure you share this episode. Follow us on Instagram, @Kasi_Mayhem TV. And also on TikTok, Kasi Mayhem TV 101. And on Facebook, Kasi Mayhem TV. Please check out our Facebook group. That's where you can share your links, share your videos, share everything that you want as an artist. There's a lot of people who are in that group. I think there's about 2K right now. So please check it out, Kasi Mayhemmers. Otherwise, I have an award-winning artist, producer, Laser Music.
What up?
Otherwise, Grand Booty.
Dikhona Khurmana Kondo kunjani tayo?
I'm good. I'm feeling good. Although weather yalapha ingathi funa uba personal. Because thina singaba badlali golf.
Ingenzi kanjalo.
Nina ni sorted. Thina singaba badlali golf. Hayi. Not on camera.
Sikrende, sikrende. Simnandi, simnandi.
I want that, bro.
Ayo simnandi thina
I think
obvious.
Siyakuboma inoma dimdedwa lokula industry yabo.
Eyoba.
Liyodlala golf.
It's a choice tayo yabo.
It's a choice udlala golf. Ungena lucky.
Hayi ke ungafana utsho mhlawumbe uba yilaki yabo unayo lucky yabo so
ibuwe la ngifuna uxoxa naye tu
ke nalapho okay uba iyaxhomekeka uba wena ukhangela kangakanani na uba okay do you love udlala golf or you don't love udlala golf na
akomntu othanda udlala golf da
I know
I don't think ukhona umuntu othanda udlala golf and also when you are looking, you can't compromise what you're looking for. Just because of when you are good like golf.
I agree with yoba mawuzinyanzela izunceda because ungazifaka kwenye into ngelinye ixesha nxa ubaleka udlala igolf. So you have to focus.
I'll keep on searching.
Focus.
I'll keep on searching. Brian, I want to go straight to your work. Let's start with you being a producer, because like the first time I heard about you, I heard about a producer. Then I saw an artist after. Like, tell me about your start, like journey as a producer.
Oh, all right. Mna producing, I don't wanna lie. Ndiyenze sekudala ndirapper, yabo.
Okay.
Besekudala ndirapper before I produced, yabo. Because ndaqala ngorapper kuqala. So as ixesha lahamba ikuyenzeka lana ubona uba ikuse nidinga indawo yorecorder and then ngapha abantu benza excuses until ndade ndaspana. Ndathi uspana kwam ndazixelela uba my first salary kusithengela i-studio equipment ke ndizibone bokhini kanjani kule nto yabo. So yaqala apho ndibukela i-tutorials ko-YouTube because yabo uba okay kumasterishwa njani, and then I actually taught myself mna uproducer yabo. And YouTube of course. So into eyandichovela kuproducer is because uba ukhe ubona uba kusokolisa abantu yabo, bona uba okay umuntu sometimes akekho kule mood kuye wena ufuna urecorder and then okanye mhlambi there's excuses ze-project zakho yabo ezingabonakali into ezinjalo. So that's where I started becoming a producer which is where I am now. Yeah.
I know the struggle of being an artist without a studio.
Yeah.
I want to understand, like, which year do you like feel like that's where your rapping or like your music making as an artist started when?
I think it was 2011.
Okay.
2010. Yeah, somewhere there. We did a project in a new Roman Tong Machus, Lando's last born Machus. So that's where I actually got seen where Boba say I'm a producer now full time. So lapho ke ndabonakala khona ba hayi umculo ndiyawenza because almost yonke la project ya producer ndim and then nam ndikhona pha on featured songs there phana pha.
Yeah.
So that's where Bonagala Corner.
Who are you working with on that project?
Last Born Majus.
Like the artist.
Yeah, Last Born Majus.
Yeah,
but there's the artist. I mean producers as Koya as Enza beats Payana.
Okay.
I think that TG. Yeah, no Phoenix, F2 the Phoenix. Yeah, but I've never seen him. That Lalelonjung Rotman Bauking F2 the Phoenix Supra.
Yeah.
But I think Cabo by 2 abanye then Ben Gimna.
No, I totally get it. But like, do you understand most like when you start like seeing Ivelium and then you start seeing abantu like appreciating you and also like sharing moments and Funuti stage sharing moments with like artists who have been in the game. Like, what's your first memory? Like, banumdo waqomakse like nangu umuntu oniphe spirit ke ngoba kuse ndilami ndiphakathi leweni yenzeka le way.
Okay. I would say umuntu onike spirit ipartner yami ngokuRhotman yabo. Not to say yabo along the way before yabo I made her. But ke oyena umuntu engicinga ba no yabona le way isenzeka ngolhlobo isenzeka ngayo is because I met yena yabo.
Yeah.
Partner yami ngoku we are doing moves engazange ndacinga ba ngathi ndizenze like example mhlawumbe winning an award yabo. So oyena umuntu enqonda ba okay jonga ndi focus naye ngoku is my partner.
Yeah. And she's on the song.
Yeah, she's on the song too. Yabo. So yeah, focus is like on the real. Yeah.
And you guys also worked on a project.
Yeah, we worked on a project and then the project became success which is still is. So yeah. So I would say she just came in and had a push window in the end. So it became what it is right now.
Yeah. How did you guys meet though?
December.
Let's spill it out so that people understand that we're not just talking about a person, we're talking about an artist.
Yeah, an artist. Yeah. An artist.
So that
artist. She's a partner and an artist. As an artist and as an Yeah. But as an artist, she is my partner. And siyapushana satibana ngo December ku show yaMaqaba nge-31st 2023 nge-31st
Strand.
Strand.
I remember.
That's where we met and then that's where it all started. So phela sesispana soyi2 ngohlobo yabo. Yeah.
Ndiyakhumbula post uba kakagoduka eStrand.
Obvious.
Okay, that was the beginning.
That
makes sense.
Until now.
What were you guys doing? I mean, like, did you guys have a studio recording after a show or something
of course.
like that? Because I'm sure like stuff like that happens.
Yeah. Of course, after a show, we had a after party. Saya kwenye Rotman yasestrand nayo kuthiwa ngitachu Chumani. And again safika phaya after party phaya. And then after that we went Pakume studio and then we had a studio almost the whole night yabo. And then sabe sela no sela. Yeah. And then the night was productive, man.
Yeah.
It was productive. Yeah.
I want to think that it feels like the situation felt like a camp. You know, when you have a camp and then you just bring out different artists, and then you don't know people at that moment,
Yeah.
but ever like something happens is that bakhona abantu qoma hayi ndiyayifila le artist as much as we're working on this thing ingaske siphinde sispane yabo. Did that happen at that time okanye yenzeka later?
Yeah, it happened at that time, yabo. Ndamfaka kwingoma. That was kwakudala ikhona, yabo. And then she laid a verse. And then after Louis leyo into continuously ke ngoku, yabona. So
guys, they are shooting the podcast ever. They are shooter. Abantu bafuna ufonela ixesha ngoko right.
And yaqala ngalangoma ithi ilanga. I don't know if uyazi ilanga. Yeah, ilanga. Yeah.
So you guys recorded that song
Estrand.
that same
No, ingoma was already there yona, but it had a verse open, which so ke ngoku xa ndimkhalisela yona, she was like, yeah, this is actually dope. Ngayifaka iverse and ke iverse wayibhalela e-studio yona, yabo. Yeah. And then she laid a verse bayana. And then ngoku yafana ba, hey, she's a dope artist, man, yabo. And I have zikhona nezinye project endinazo apha. Why don't we just work on an album one time? Then that's where it started. Sakhupha isijovo. Yeah.
Unikizi, which projects is she involved in?
Unikizi ukhona kwi-Inyanga, the award-winning song.
Okay.
Yeah. She was. We actually did the song e-studio, yabo.
Okay.
I invited her a studio to do a song with us, yabo. Sabe si busy le project in process, yabo.
Yeah.
And then safika then we came out with Inyanga, phakla track Inyanga.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like how's your working relationship with
yena siyaspana sigrand, yabo, sigrand yabo. And she was actually working on her new EP, yabo, beyenzela pha kum, yabo. But ke she's halfway done with it, yabo.
So you guys getting exclusive?
Yeah. She's nilindele. Actually, we were busy with her tour kungekudala ngongo. So she's actually introducing the EP up busy.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
Yeah, but okwangoku through ingxeke nje uyabona sisamile, yabo.
Okay. But like, who are some of the artists who are in your books? Like, unfortunately, in your roster, yabo. Like some artists are not your artists, but like they can come and record in your studio, like.
You mean like resident
not
DJ?
really even resident artist, but like abantu qoma say I can count ubani.
Okay. There's a lot, man. There's a lot. But yeah, if we sithetha ngesekile, like if we talk about the circle, like nje not abantu aba enqoma okay ndiyaspanisana nabo randomly, I would count. Okay, if we're gonna talk about artists, I would count Wordsmith.
Wordsmith.
Legend. Yeah.
Did you record that song?
Yeah. That's me right there.
I'm gonna bring Wordsmith. I wanna ask him because that's not the Wordsmith.
They say Pyalili Ngoma, Yonge ba exhibit. Nanfunun produce. Was on the beat. I'm not on the beat. I'm only on the mixing.
Yeah.
What say Kebili Ngoma? Zanga sogolisa no sogolisa kula ngoma. And then say Keba.
It's very different, bruh.
It's different. Kakulu.
Very different.
And the other thing is, I come to Beilinde.
Yeah, that's true.
So that's how it is.
If I was still a smoker, bro, I was gonna vibe on that song while I'm high.
It's a dope song, man. It's really a dope song.
Like
Omnye Mills, obviously.
Yeah.
No Dex Logistic. shout out to you Grootman. And khona enye artist ekuthiwa nguLandoza ngu-K Vibes. I just picked him up uhlala Landoza eDelft umjita. Rap Malahle, obviously my nigga from Estrandi. Who else? Okay, khona nomnye umjita ekuthiwa ngu-K who I just picked up naye uhlala emakhaza phaka Estradini.
Yeah.
And who else? Sibaninzi man,
You've never
sibaninzi
worked
kanjani.
with Tahedrick?
No,
Okay.
not yet. Yabo, asikasipani nayo Tahedrick, yabo, like siyadibana eshowini sincokole, yabo, but asikasipani sana. And the TMT also, yabo, naye uyasipana phakum time to time, yabo.
Yeah.
Ngomnye nothi ba okay no siyasipani sana naye, yabo. And yeah, I think that's about it. And yazi mhlawumbe khona lo ngambali because sibaninzi.
But who would you say like ngoyena like enjoyer uspana
naye
like nabo ngavuswa nini?
I enjoy uspana nabo bonke I enjoy uspana nabo bonke. They're great artists. Otherwise I like uspana nomuntu ongasokolisi. Ubona lawe umuntu ozawufika e-studio like funeka uqale kulinde yena uzawuqala bhale. As artists in this balayo, they know about okay, kuyafika e-studio sifike siyarecorda, siyaphuma apho sibhizi yenye into one time. Yabo asizohlala boma 5 hours, 4 hours kwi project eyi-one. Yeah. So come to studio prepared. That is why I enjoy working with them.
Yeah, but like how's the reception go like as an award-winning artist go xa usiye eshowini kubanjani?
I don't wanna lie, man. Umsebenzi yabonakala yabo. Umsebenzi yabonakala because the treatment is ayisafana kuqala. Yabo nyansiwe xa kuthiwa once ubonakale like treatment yabantu say it's not the same, yabo. But ngoku kuyabonakala ba ngoku manika you an award-winning artist, yabo. So ngoku it's time to focus ngoku umuntu like just yabona abantu so umuntu obekade ezimela pha xa si around ngoku uzama ndlela zonke uba makasondele yabo just to be in the picture okanye yabo njalo. So it's not like it's a bad thing. It's not a bad thing, but ke into ukuthi ebonakalisayo uba what we're doing is working, yabo. Iyasipana lento siyenzayo, yabo. And we are evolving ngolo hlobo. We see that as a progress, yabo.
But like at the same time, what would you say that because like we were talking before we came in, yabo, and then I was telling you that it shows I'm good with the shows. So like for when like at the very same time, what are some of the things that make you feel like maybe you are not where you're supposed to be when it comes to your shows?
Mna yabona, I'd say mna I'm a different artist, yabo, okanye a different person because a show is a show, yabo. Like awuzuzixelela uba wena kuse ufuna uba kule show awuzuba khona kule show ngenxa inje uzoba kulena. Don't be, as an artist you're not supposed to be choosy, yabo Roman. So you must enjoy every moment. As long as ukhona pa your name is there, you must appreciate and acknowledge the way yabo that you are being recognized, yabo. Eyona nto kumebala uba okay, it's not just recognition but ke nayo it counts in the mix, yabo man. It counts in the mix because at the end of the day so onke sifuna imali, yabo, but ke xa engazanga ngoku ayizanga man, yabo. Just appreciate what you get right now. Yabo. You don't know what tomorrow brings you.
Ukhona ngoqhwatywa umuntu kwigumba?
Hayi mina ndiyokhupha imali ta.
Awukho kula moment.
Bendingekho.
Ndiyazifuna ezandaba.
Bendingekho ndiyokhupha imali. Xa ndibuya senziva istory. And luckily ndisiva ezo story ndikhwela itaxi ndihamba.
Yezohamba. ndiyafika I'm a very chilled person. So hey, once I could to men violence when not for him.
Sorry guys.
Demand too.
Not
Those
for
vibes,
me.
bruh. I want to ask you. I want to ask you a two-way question. And we won't the question. I think, yeah, it's one of my favorite questions because it kind of like unpacks how the person wants to be perceived and what they know about themselves.
Yeah.
It's a two-way question. What's that one thing that you hear about yourself and it's not true? And then what's that one thing that people don't know about you, but you want them to know?
Okay. Yabona mna Groepman, I would say as much as ningangumntu wa like othandayo uzimixa nabantu kakhulu ubona.
Yeah.
I don't pay attention on what people say about me. Because once you give them attention, you banika uyababonisa ba ke iyaspana lento bayenzayo. So I would say whatever is being said, yabona ngam, whether it's true or it's not true, I don't want to mix with it, because I don't feel like I should give you attention yam ngenxa ba okay uthetha into engekhoyo ngam, yabona ta. But as long as as long as it's positive, I don't want you to think okay mna ndingilamuntu okay uthanda unika abantu unike attention xa wenze into ethile zanike whatever you saying I don't andingeni lonto leyo ndiyakuyeka nje ube njalo uyabo, because ndiyazazi mna uba into nje.
I totally understand what you saying.
Yeah.
But like sometimes iba yinto engekho negative.
Yeah.
Because umzekelo xa kuthiwa sawulaser yo nemali la kaka ube mhlawumbe uzama
ba anane
fana nami la mali ayikho negative yabo.
Yeah, but it's at the same time.
So like when you're thinking about those kind of things, I always urge people not to think about negative things.
Only but the positive also. Okay.
Okay. Mhlawumbe kuthiwa unetrack ezayo noPhizo yabo.
Okay. I don't know what you're talking about.
It's not a bad thing. It's a good manifestation.
Yeah, but it's not true at the same time. Yeah. Uyabona ke lo wena Groepman inabantu baya bakwazi omnye umuntu angakwazi uattenda lonto leyo ba fit ayikho lento uyithethayo. Stop posting into engekhoyo ngam, yabo. But ke mna ke on my side, if when you decide ba mawuposte lonto, that's on you. Mna nizwingena because once ndi attend izaba ngathi inyani kwabanye abantu, yabo. So uba ndivele ndazithulela mna uzawubuzwa ngabantu yena okanye abantu bazobuza mna directly ndizawutsho ngokwami ngoba ayikho laa nto ethethwa. Yeah, something like that.
Nah, I hear you. And the other one, something that people don't know about you and you'd love them to know.
Into abantu bangayaziyo ngam na Groepman, I'm a drawer, yabo. Ndiyakwazi udraw, yabo. I'm an artist. I can sketch, yabo. But ke lo leyo ndathi ndoyiyeka esikolweni aqoma it's fine man, let me just focus on music, yabo, because liyana ndayiyeka. But ke I can actually draw, yabo. Ndiyakwazi uzoba ta.
Do you still do it now?
Yeah, time to time, yabo. Xa ndihleli nje like dinazo iziketch endizenzayo pha kum endidlalelayo njengayo engekho serious, into engasoze ndiyipost ubone kuse. Yeah, into endizenzela nje.
Don't you think that would be another side hustle?
It could be, but it depends on how good you are, yabo.
Okay.
Yeah. So now I'm not that yourself? Good. I do trust myself, but I'm not that good, so I think I can make it a business. Nah. But if ungazixelela uba say I can do this, I can do it. But isendim lo uzihlisela phansi. But uba mhlambi ngabona ngomnye umuntu angathi athi man susithathela phansi olhlobo. This is dope. Yeah.
Have you ever recorded someone who's an imposter?
Imposter.
Yeah.
Like injan, like umdo
who steals material. Because I've done it before.
When?
Yeah.
What the hell?
Let me tell you what happened. No, an imposter can even steal like a well-known song and
okay.
This
my song, man.
So I had a dope artist called Utembi TR, Tembe Kamateza. And she was dope, bruh. Like I used to make beats for her. Like she wrote, efforts, and at that time she was the only female artist in the roster, and then I added another artist called Useilu. Useili, yeah. And she was fucking dope.
Okay.
Like dope. But you know, they started becoming friends, no Tembi TR. And then they were like used to compliment each other. But now there's another girl that came through after Gengoku. Rosa.
Okay.
Yeah, so Rosa, she's like a yellow bone. She came with that Nicki Minaj vibe. Like Nicki Minaj,
okay.
And then she recorded the song by me. I made the beat.
Now
Tembi TR freaked out. She was like, yo, Kofi and the Abans of was and pin and record any ngoma. I'll pay the artist I don't play artist. And it was really intimidating. Only to find out later on. Verse 1, verse ka Eve. Column tongue Eve. Why actor and rapper Dala.
Okay.
Unalangoma iti kali verse drop your classes. Drop your what.
Okay.
Yo, la track intro kanjani.
Yeah.
Unala verse. And then the other verse, I think yang Nicki Minaj.
Straight.
And I couldn't believe that thing, bro. But I didn't. I was not into rap at that time. And also, like old school, I wouldn't have really known.
But
people found it.
But when I get as a producer, by now, man.
And I'm pushing this artist. I'm like, yo,
this is dope.
Nah,
not yet. I wouldn't say that. Not yet. Ankabinayo mndonjalo zange ndafumana into enjalo. Artists mostly artists enzanazo zibhalela is either umuntu ubhalela studio kanye uzaseneway yakhe like senongoma yakhe ayenzileyo. I've never actually heard an imposter for real. Yeah.
What was a worst experience though?
Like
in studio,
in producing.
Yeah.
Yo, bonela way, Rotman. Ish, bonela way. Umdakze ele ikseni.
Yeah.
Fika umdekseni usalela. Yo, praga vule. Yo, dark. I'm still sleeping.
Yeah.
Bone ikse. That was the worst. Bona ke ngoku into estudio kuzogcwala ke ngoku mini yonke. Awukwenza ifokole bra. Yabona kwenza nix and then ke ngoku nawe ke like as a producer awukwazi ugxotha abantu ba guys hayi nikwazi. Phofu ke let's talk about me. Mina nayi la nhliziyo ba kuse habo brother hayi.
Yeah.
But ubone kuse you ubone awukwazi nokwenza nix you hleli nje endaweni eyi1 buya phakama ngoyochama qha phini buya hlala beyilonto namachita.
Damn, I experienced that thing back in the days.
Back
in the days. Another thing that I recently like experienced, yes, other people would say that yo, babe in the studio kwamna yo benzo. Like how do you deal with that thing when as an artist knowing that nansi studio slap but this
is not the time, man. You know,
how do you deal with that thing when for you as laser low rapper accommodate as a producer when
okay, yabona the best way and I found man is to put rules pa yabo ubhale la way ubhale pha istudio ibeke pha rules umuntu angithengena jonga ba kuse ixesha elithile kunexesha estudio if if uzokwenza isession, make sure isession yakho ayigqibi hour, ayigqithi hour. Even if awuyigqibanga, we cut it off after an hour. Yabo. So that's how I actually taught myself to maintain. Yabona xa usenza i-rap, you must treat this thing as a 9 to 5. Yabo. Ube nexesha la, ube nexesha le-lunch njalo njalo, yabo. Because once uhlale uzicelela okay uzokwenza into eyi-1 hours ezininzi, it's frustrating. It's frustrating so much, man.
Do you have like writer's block when as an artist?
Nah.
What's your creative process, if I may say? Like, what's your creative process? Uyavuka ucinga ingoma uyibhale okanye?
Okay, I would say it depends uba okay ba lo idea ifike nini, yabo. Mhlambe kiphele mhlambe mina okanye kuphela iviki ungena idea. Like, I'm not that kind of artist but okay ufuna solo ku record oko every day. Just come up with ideas, yabo, because once you record every day you're gonna end up singing the same thing. So mna I go by mood yami okanye by idea xa ithe yafika, yabo. But okay, there's this idea ndifumene ngoyengoma okanye ye-beat, let me hop on it at the same time, yabo. And then yenzeka ke naxa uvuka mhlawumbe uvuka unale idea but say that's another thing uba ne-studio, like a home studio. Xa une idea you don't have to, uyakwazi uvese kuyileyise ngoku, yabo, then uyishiye pha phinde ubuye, yabo, njalo njalo. So that's how I maintain. Uba ukuze idea ngolo xesha, I don't force myself.
But zibakhona ezangoma like when you are done, you question yourself, like, sir, how did I do this song? Do you have any song that you can like specify and be like, yo, ingoma ethile, like ndayibona sendigqibile, like, sir?
It's the award-winning song. It's the award-winning song. Abona la hook Liana, and then la hook Liana, I didn't even write that hook. Like zilines ezazivele layo nje kumane kuvela line ngingena mbokweni, mane kuvela line ngingena mbokweni. So I ended up writing it sendiyiqebile yabo, sendiyirecordile, and then kwangona ndiyenza ke ngo solid, yabo. But that's the one enqomba sathi sesiqebile, xa seniqebile yonke into masterisha, I was like, yo, this is a masterpiece, guys. Yabo, this is the best work we've done this year, yabo. The best. And the other one, Bambelela, the one with uXaga. That's the other song enqomba yabona le ngoma siyenze njani, guys. Yabo, it's a masterpiece.
That's dope. That's dope. Xaga, your eyes moving.
Yo, very yo kakhulu.
How was the music video shoot?
Okay, wenyanga. It was dope. It was dope. And khange itsale because we did it one day, yabo. It was a one day shoot, yabo. So khange itsale, it was productive. Wonke umuntu nje izobonakala phofu kwi-video ba besonwabile apha, yabo. It was just perfect, man. Everything was perfect, yabo. Nangona yabo izinto zenzeka mana amaginqinqinqi. La video mekubakudala sayishoota, but you know, akwazi ukwenza into zibe ninzi ngexesha eli-1. So but finally we did it. It's dope. It was dope.
I'm looking forward to seeing the video.
Yo inswembo.
Boni promo, man, boni promo.
Man ujonga ipromo.
Kuyasetyenzwa apha.
Yo kuyamove, man, kuyamove.
But like I want to ask you something not personal though.
There we go.
It's not
there we
it's
go.
not personal. It's still in the music, but it involves something personal. Like, what do you like the most about working with Umils? Like, what do you like? What are some of the attributes that you feel like, Yabona's attributes? Zisebenza both in studio and
outside. Okay, I'd say Umils is a straight person. Okay. First of all, she's a straight person. That's what I love about her. And again, into xa ingeyiyo ayiyongo, yabo. So she uyakwazi like ucontrol izinto like zihambe straight, yabo. iyakwazi uba okay xa izinto like ikubona uba ikusejonga mna ndiphela sendityhafa ngoku yena uyakwazi uba ikuseyathi afondini we have to do this and sizayenza le uyabo and ke mna ke ndingumntu otyhafa rho uyabo so yena uyakwazi uba okay yenze sure uba okay iways yenzeka ngehlobo uyabo ngehlobo nangehlobo uyabo so working with her she makes things easy yabo like not like easy like akho nto easy obviously but ke she tries yabo and ke yena ke mostly eyona ndiyithandayo ustraight like akagogolezi uyabo if into ayizukwenzeka if izawukwenzeka yeah. That's the most important part in Komba. Yeah. And I'm really glad that she's my partner, Bura. Yeah.
And she has traveled the whole world, bro.
Yeah, and the experience.
Yeah. Would you say that like experience it does help?
Yeah, a lot. It helps a lot, and now she's been through indawo ezininzi yabo so she knows how to handle into ezifana mhlawumbe xa siphumile ubone mhlawumbe xa siye kwezi shows zingaphandle uyabo and uyakwazi ukwenza ne-proposals into ezinjalo yabo so yeah she knows how to handle i-game yeah she's good at it she's actually good.
That's dope, man. Yazi ngicinga umfonela ngoku.
Yeah.
Umfonela ngoku.
Let's go.
To get the best spice nje. Asijoba uzoyibamba la.
Uzoyibamba.
Asijoba uzoyibamba. Ndifuna uba spice.
Je qing.
Iyaringa. She's probably busy. Yini award-winning artist.
Yo.
Zawuthi ulahlekile awufikanga. Akaphenduli guys. Hayi niphoswe i-content. Niphoswe i-content too. Let me try one more time, guys. Niphoswa i-content. Hayi, benza niphi content? Benza niphi content because let's try one more time. Hayi, akavumi. Mili? Unjani?
Unjani?
Right nam. Yaza ndimfumenanga ulaser.
Lies.
I'm being
Lies.
Ulahlekile.
Asoze iphoza leyo kanolahleka.
Hayi mali. I have the award-winning artist apha.
Yabo. Yakuzama.
Yadizama. Yini. Ndiqhubombuza apha uba yintoni ayithandayo ngawe. Wena yintoni oyithandayo ngaye?
Endithandayo ngaye? He's kind. He's consistent. He's very calm. Ngiyabona mase energy yami njani, right?
Yeah.
He's very calm. And like akonqena undixelela inyani njengabanye abantu bendonqena undixelela inyani.
Yeah.
So and also he's hands on when it comes to career yethu. So that's really important to me.
That's dope, man. That's dope. You guys are so amazing. Tell the people to wait for a music video. Phumani music video Fondini.
I-music video drop kule veki siya kuyo, man, you know.
Yabo anithetha into eyi-1 noba i-2 yabo. Ndinifayindile ke
ngoku. It's supposed to be
It's
supposed to be dropping tomorrow on the 30th, right?
Oh.
But I'm busy working on logistics right now. Yeah.
Oh.
So hence I announce about tomorrow. I don't want to say tomorrow and then it's missing. I haven't askatibani. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So between, but definitely next week I can't play last night because abantu bayafuna and it should be out there.
Okay, I know. Okay, we are looking forward to it. Utuleza kasabuyi izokhiwa okay apha eBarcelona.
Ndiza neempahla zam akho ngxaki.
Bye bye.
Bye, Coffee.
Bye. Hayi Ketayi, hayi yabonga.
Yeah.
Ndiyabonga uBeyonce noJay-Z.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
The powerhouse.
Yeah.
Powerhouse. That's
Abona
dope.
sometimes by a team to have a partner beside you, like it's not a bad thing. Like sometimes man to actually to work yabo kuzinto ispan. Mhlawumbe ungazibona ustuck ngelinye ixesha kanti you just need a partner.
Yeah. That's dope. Talking about calls. Kobana by 3 aba famous abasefonini yakho.
3, ne?
Yeah, 3. I think 3 is gonna be fair.
Klaga is the first.
Klaga.
Ndingazibala.
Hayi man, hayi. Uyasifonela.
Okay,
Lesbo uyasifonela.
I got ulanduza Tara Tex.
Tara.
Yeah. Who else? Madness. I got to Madness. Yeah.
Shout out to Mad.
Actually, abekho i-3 cup but ke
Kawenza 5.
Okay, see your 5.
2 more.
Okay, add the 2 more. I got to K-Wax. Yeah. I got Foxy Soul.
Foxy.
Yeah.
Foxy.
I got to Anati Swapi.
And I've never met Anati.
Yeah.
I have a lot of people who are like born.
Talk about him. He's a dope artist and a very humble person.
Yeah.
You should actually have him.
Most definitely.
Yeah.
Like who would you want to work with when currently?
Currently.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to be local only. Yeah.
Okay, could be.
Yeah.
I'd like to work with Uhrotmani Ulando's Pro X. There's actually Ikona Footy project. He's a pal. I'd like to work with Uhrotmani, which is a span in the future. But like basingathetha mhlambe nge-EP like bamhlambe umuntu enqomba okay ngathanda usipana naye senze i-project yabo. It would be uGxarha because uGxarha is like youth ngathi youth evolver okanye ngathini like there's this yabona because ne album yakhe azayikhupha ithi Ghetto Kids Lives Matter yabo. So I'd like to work with him more yabo man yabo because I like indlela iyo yabo and uyakwazi like ulandela game yomculo yabo. He knows how to work game yomculo yabo man.
Yeah. I'm probably sure like he hasn't been home in a long time.
Because
busy. Shout out to Cleese, man.
Yeah, man.
Benza kubuza ntoni na? Khona lento benza kubuza yona ke ishushu
Wow. Okay. Shoot. I'm ready.
Now, I was gonna ask you, but do you ever feel divided when people start to beef like and uvana nabo bobai 2 okanye bobai 5? Like, do you ever feel la mess about
okay, you in the middle?
Yeah.
Yabona mina Roman you as band benchilo ba mina andingumuntu ongazithandi isicumcumu kakhulu. If you guys are beefing and ngendawo mina kulondo le don't involve me because once in involve izaba ngathi ngithatha side lo muntu. So if niyabhifana it's fine but mina andizingeni. I'm cool with both of you.
Yeah.
and then ngoku wena uzuthi xa unibona nalona ucimba fast ba jonga ngoku ndisisnitch ntoni if wena ucinga loo nto yakho le kodwa ngengomso ndizaphinda ukuthethise mna nje ngelihlobo bendithethisa lo
yeah
so into ze-beef I don't enter I don't even
come on.
It's not for me.
Iske yaxoxisa ibeef eKapa.
Yo kangakanani. Yo ingxaki it's a lot. Yo.
I don't care about
Xoxisa,
beef. I was having a conversation with elder Mutandlu and we're talking about concept zoncokola when it comes to a podcast, yabo. And I was telling him, I'm like, I didn't even follow why beef yake. Yabo, no. So I never followed those things because to me, as in the sense, man, it's new yabo. They have a distract. Now I'm into battle rap.
Yeah. Go to the stage, man. Yeah, my day long.
That's it. Yabona we phele lapha. Yoba ngokomnye ngokuzokhupha track.
Kukhutshwe ne video.
That's too much work, bro. Kanye cipher. Yabo cipher.
Yeah. Call them niggas one time.
Once,
yabona ilona nditshoyo ba ilona ndingayi-enterish la way. Imagine like ubhali ngoma mhlawumbe ubhali ngoma iphelele writing for omnye umuntu. What are you gonna benefit from that? Like are you gonna benefit uzofumana imali okanye yintoni ozayifumana?
Yeah.
If lo muntu lo ubhifayo is like iyamsebenzela yena, it's fine, beef me, but mna izaba ngathi ubeef ighost baba because I will never even entertain you.
Yeah.
But yeah, if slap stage, you call me on stage, sure, let's do it. And let's be about it. But yeah, yoba man bhali ngoma. Nah, bro. Okanye mhlambe ndiyoposta ku Facebook uba yo ubani what.
Yeah.
I feel like Lawe is childish, man. Yeah, man.
I'm like, and follows Faka, and people try to like more to mix up Black Couch and all of that. Like the podcast is not about the beef and all of those things. Feeling I think okay, it's fine. I'll get down. Like when it comes to like there's a lot of concept OGs new wave and stuff.
Yeah.
When it comes to OGs, like hippie OG or Filba, like when you met them, they exceeded your expectations, like reception, how they are.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I've met a lot of OGs, but I would say Urutman, Utara, Utara is an OG, like a real OG. Yabo nuqala kwami umbona ndandisonqena nosondela kuyitanti salute yabo. But nguye waphela sithi ufuna inteni uzimele phaya inanasi phi. I was like, okay, cool. Lapho ke ngosesiqala babo kaze sifote ta yabo into ezinjalo yabo. But ke he really expectations yo wave wangapha yakwazo and then saphela singamanqina apho sidibana khona kusehola. Yeah, man. I was like, actually Rodman is cool, man. Yeah. Like he say he's ngumuntu ogrand, man. West enhlili ngosensazana ke ngoixesha elide. Hayi, he's cool. He's a cool Rodman endala egrand. Yeah.
He actually posted about that thing yesterday.
Yeah.
And on the post he had a picture yakhe no koala and then
Nala festival
for the
culture. Yeah.
So that means he's gonna be performing for sure.
Ichambile. Why performile mos nasekuqaleni?
Yeah, that was a Spotify event.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that was a Spotify event. But like it comes to show that you don't have to disconnect ebantwini.
Yeah, ngenxa uba okay he's nyani uyabona la post yakhe iyachaza uba no man, be humble, yabo.
Yeah.
You don't have to ba okay uzibeke pha sekasa chill.
It's in the hood, bro.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
you call the artist one, you don't have to name drop, but like wayibona okanye wadibana nayo okanye like niku event, but you felt like this guy is doing too much.
Like according to
like
too
the
much.
stature, like being a celebrity, as long as the vibes.
Yeah. Okay.
Like you don't have to name drop, but like try and paint the scenario.
Yeah. I've met a lot of people abenza lo weight. Awubona ba say yeah. Lo mjita lona yeah. He's got that celebrity vibe nyani ngoku.
Yeah.
Bone baninzi man. Like i-shows ezininzi endizihambileyo ndiyadibana nabantu bona ba yeah fethu you don't have to ba okay ube njalo kanjani because uyabona ba ungumuntu free apha, so why wena uzozixelela ba hayi ndindim yabo. Kutheni nga network nabantu yabo baninzi abantu ndabadibana nabo ta. Yeah, but I won't name
some they feel like they don't even need that network bona
bagrand. Maybe it could be uba okay umuntu ufila kanjalo, but ke there's nothing important than networking apha kule game ta. Yeah, networking yiyo izakwenza uba okay usuka apha kule point uye kule point, because you have to uba okay socialize. Once uzibhekelisa ebantwini nabantu bazozibhekelisa kuwe yabo man. Yeah. So networking is very important. But yeah, it doesn't and ithandela uba it's a choice yabo. Into ikuba do you want to network nabantu or you don't want to.
Yeah.
It's a choice.
Nah, that's true, man. Because Naam is it's one of the reasons why I don't attend certain events, because I know people are gonna be acting all cheesy.
Moody morning nah man. Okanye umuntu wathi hayi sengxibe inswimpu man ngikwazi
like dikulungela ne drip.
Kuba hayi ke
man, very ordinary man.
Yeah. But yeah, it's not about low way. Showing you are there to socialize. That's why kugcwala pha kubizwa abantu abaninzi.
Yeah.
So wena xa uzoyenza ngathi okay nguwe wedwa lapho kule show, hayi abantu bazozibhekelisa kuwe for real. Bona ba hayi kuse awusafumani le recognition obifumana ngoku, kanye mhlambi xa usiya kwezinye show ubona abantu abakuhoyi bagqitha nje because uziphethe lo hlobo wena self.
Yeah. So besides the music video and Nikki Z working on the project, bawela nje uyipushe.
All right. Yeah. First of all, siyaspana kuwe Streva 2.0 yabo.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we after sistropile sopinda senza lando sasiyenza last year. After sistropile Streva 2.0 siyenza tour from kasi to kasi yabo la isiyenza from mhlambi siyenze eCrafondini kanye Strand kanye emakhaza njalo yabo. But ke eyona main point yoba Streva 2.0 uyeza and ke inyanga izo drop music video.
Yeah. Nah, that's dope, bro. Like it's not easy like to get your work seen, bruh. I'm like that's one thing I've noticed, and I see a lot of artists are struggling with that. Yeah, but umntu ncama gofuna izinto instead of like putting in the work.
Yeah.
It's like funa ubapha and it's like okay cool uzoxhumisa kwa CTV ngengoma zakho ziyi2, then what
after?
Yeah. It's like I in the sense into yoba abantu bangxamele uvela without having immaterial
yovela le material uzovela ngayo. Yeah.
Because now all of a sudden there's a demand and then you can't meet that demand.
That demand, yeah. Bona ba okay xa mhlambi xa uyo search of bona ufumaniseka kondi ngako fumanwayo yakho kodwa we just saw you on TV. Come on man, yabo. Enye into yilawe wena Grootman ba okay ulandela abantu man ungumuntu stay in your lane. Uba uzixelela okay ufuna ukwenza lana oyenziwa ngibani, you're not gonna make it. Like abantu abafani, if you stay in your lane uzenzela into yakho ixesha lakho lizawufika yabo. Like ixesha lizawufika. Don't rush things, just let it flow yabo, let it flow ngendlela right yabo.
Nah, that's proper, bruh, man. That's proper, and I appreciate you for pulling up.
Man.
I know Mills has been pushing back coffee. I'm like, because like I used to host as an episode Upper Pond.
Okay.
Yeah, so I was like, hey. Ufuna nize noba two, and then the couch ngoko can accommodate but when it's outside
at least there's space,
and then but I was slowly getting into wind and I'm like
ish.
So the last time I saw you guys I was like ish Mills uzohlala behind the scenes. I'll give you a mic, but uzohlala behind the scenes. But she didn't pull up. It's fine. It's still fine. That's good, man. Shout out to her, man. Shout out to her. And shout out to everyone who's around you, because now always believe that in order for izinto zisebenze, like number around you, energy.
Especially uTayeski isisipaza khazi yena he's uyabona uyakwazi upush uyasipusha Grootman yabo.
Ngixaka manina man brand. Ngixaka nonke.
Jan
bonke. Isisipaza khazi hip hop Xhosa wave the pudding.
Benzintoni?
It's like there's a confusion out there about gabantu okanye ngumntu yabo.
Oten like
umzekelo pudding. There was a post okubabalo bamna bencinga icherry sona so
uba
pudding.
Okay.
Yabo. Apparently out.
The pudding umchita.
Yeah, bola we.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. No, esisipaza khazi I thought na ipage ehoywa ngabantu abaninzi.
No, ipage yomntu oyi-1
yeah. Bola ndothuka ngo-1000 uba.
Nguyu esisipaza khazi ekusela ibrand yakhe le yabo.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you know ilanduza etispaza versus New Wave?
Yeah.
Nale ibrand yakhe. That's where they link inguye no the pudding yabo.
Yeah.
Spaza New Wave no esisipaza khazi, but esisipaza khazi it's him myself.
Yeah.
Besides the page ke
okay. Yeah. I need to have him azophendula ezanozibhala kula page. Azophendula zonke ezanozibhala kula page. Azimela ke page.
Busy.
Azimela ke page. Mazi pudding kakade
kwayena
azophelela azibhalayo kwezibheke
vele on camera
bazimela ngepage ngosicika ngosisa abathile thina
hayibo
like amaGrootman
abaputeri
bazwakale bazocacisa apha ngamagwala yabazimela ngepage manje bethelekisa abantu pha bani versus bani
but ke if la way funeka ngoba ijonga njengothelekisa la way funeka uyijonge as collaboration uba ungaphuma into enjani uyabo
babenze bathelekisa estratweni yaliwa fundi yaliwa maGrootman kunzima but sasa sababiza bra shout out man shout out I wish I would be live
babuchini ekhona
pha lihleli kwi
iseklasini
wasayina ihleli pha
iseklasini ihlele South Music Leah, yes, the South.
Yeah, what's side?
Yo, is a class in by South.
Adinayela uyebahamba ngile veki ngayohlala pha kumi yohlala kuNick.
Na ihlala studio, yabo.
Ihlala
studio. Yeah.
But at least
not to say uba mhlamba kayifuni.
Yeah,
yabo, yeah.
Nafota nonela ngayo.
At least
akwazi ba.
But okay, acknowledge but no, I'm an award-winning artist. And on the video, it's everywhere. Like award,
on the music video.
On the music video, and actual,
proper.
and it's
that's
everywhere.
That's proper, man. Shout out to you guys, man.
Tango,
all the best, all the
Yes,
best. Ninga chafu spana because hey, kunzima abantu bane 20 years mesenza liwe.
Yo, man. Ingatekvelendo, yo.
So keep on pushing that like
that's the key.
Yeah, push. Attend ngaboni thina singazi cause open mic sessions. Hayi
nisenza
asiyeza abandazi uyohanda supporta mqhake namaxesha obasibe busy because we are
life
lelo ngoku xa siphinde sivela hayi one love
sekuchintshekile
one love yo hayi qhake then bene bounce ngone yakhaba cause sessions Nikhoma abantu kwesessions. Damn man. Benza
kanjani
Roman? Like man ndiziyeke ezinye questions akuxabanisa.
Hayibo, hey. Yeah, papu yakhona ngoku.
Akuxabanisa ezinye questions.
Papu yakhona ya.
Alikho phula imitshato mna.
Hey. Ungayenzi lonto Roman. Yo yini kangaka?
This podcast pulling me chat.
But yeah,
we don't do that, man. Shout out, guys. Shout out, and shout out to everyone who's watching, man. Like for Bani Richelle Point, welcome, bawi fan ka Laser. Wamgelekile. Shout out. If ukabiyo, mumcheck on all social media platforms. Laser Music. Check in the music video for sure. By the time you watch this episode, so go and check out the music video Inyanga featuring Mills the First and Uniki Z Wamakudu Amatatu. Shout out, man. Thank you to my team. But you can't say it because man announce but shout out to my team, man. They pulling up something amazing for episode 100. Who knows sabonana pago episode 100 nabayaziyo. Please don't forget to subscribe, man. Subscribe, share, comment. What's your favorite song from Laser Music? Or what do you love about Laser Music? Or would you love to work with Laser Music? Anything you want to say, please say it on the comments down. And also like the video so that YouTube as I spread otherwise, thank you so much, man. It's your boy Koff. I'm out here in Cape Town. Barcelona, in a pole. South Africa, man. We out. Peace.
Peace out.